At Kaisar Network, we're dedicated to enhancing and making information more transparent.
Hi everyone, welcome to this quick guide on Kaisar Network, a decentralized computing platform.
Kaisar offers a range of missions that you can complete to earn points and rewards. These include daily check-ins, social media tasks.
Kaisar offers missions you can complete to earn points and rewards. Tasks include daily check-ins, social media engagement, and wallet connections.
Your dashboard tracks your activity, showing points, time contributed, and rewards.
Link your crypto wallet to securely receive your earned rewards. Need help? Kaisar offers support and FAQ sections to assist you. Invite friends through the referral program to boost your earnings. Each referral adds bonus points to your account, increasing your rewards.